Namaste. This is Professor S. Lal from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Learners in analytical geometry, we are discussing parabola, and in last some lectures, we have explained so many important aspects of this section, this topic. And right now, we are going to discuss that how to sketch parabola. So please let us write this topic, how to sketch parabola. We have already sketched 4 different types of parabola in the previous classes. One is in the positive section, positive part of x-axis. Another is negative part of x-axis, means toward x-dash. And the third is on positive part of y-axis. And the fourth was toward negative part of y-axis, means below the origin and symmetric to y dash. Then now you can ask that about which type of things you are now interested to discuss with us. So basically there are some points, and it is expected that you as a student of UG should note that how to sketch a parabola. So I suggest you that kindly note down. First of all, you have to find the vertex. Please note. You have to find the vertex. Then you have to find the y-intercept. After finding the vertex, you have to find the y-intercept, and that will be like 0, f0 under first bracket, and then 0, f0 under first bracket. After that, the third point is we have to solve fx is equal to 0. Is the function you have given. You have to solve that function to find the value of the variable x, and this will give you x-intercept if they exist. The next point is make sure that you have got at least one point to either side of the vertex. If you are confirmed that you have obtained y-intercept or at least one point on the either side of the vertex, then finally you are eligible here to sketch a graph. Let's draw a parabola. Now you can say that what is the meaning, but I have discussed with you. I have discussed with you that if you have to find a parabola, this is x-axis, x dash, this is y dash, this is the origin. This is the x-axis and y-axis, and now our target is to find then perhaps in the previous class we have discussed this part here. Here, if this is A, and this is S. We have already discussed that this S is the focus and this A is the vertex. Then the primary task of yours is to find this vertex X. Means you have to find the coordinate of the vertex, and you know, just like solving, as you solve the equation and you find the coordinates value of X and Y. Similarly, you have to find, you have to suppose here is point XY. If you have taken here X, if you have taken here like X and Y as the coordinates, then suppose this is the XY is the coordinate of this vertex, then meaning of finding vertex means you have to find coordinate of this vertex. And you know, for that we have to find y-intercept, means the interception that has been made on y-axis you have to find. Means generally our equation of parabola is either y square is equal to or ax or x square is equal to 4ay. Here you see, since the symmetricity of this parabola is, this is the parabola, and this is the equation of this parabola, and the symmetricity of this parabola is toward x-axis, along x-axis. So in this figure we are bothering about this equation. So with the help of this we can find the y-intercept, and that will give you 0 f0, as I told you, 0 f0. I've already said you to write, this is like this in the form of coordinate 0 f0, and if you are taking another, then this will be also same, 0 f0. So this is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. Then you have to solve fx is equal to 0. As I told you just in this lecture, that in third step, after find the y-intercept, you have to solve this function fx is equal to 0. With this help, you can find x-intercept. With the help of this, we have find y-intercept, and with the help of this, you are going to get x-intercept if any x-intercept is existing, and then make sure that you have got at least one point to either side of the vertex, and then it is possible for you to sketch the parabola. I hope students you have understood that what is the sense of saying that how to sketch parabola. Means what are the criteria to be used if you are asked to sketch the parabola. Thank you very much for enjoying and sharing this lecture, listening this lecture. Thanks a lot.